A very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It is an important day for all the Indians. Today, when a few fellow Indians talk about the fear of losing basic rights that the Constitution has given us, this day becomes more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of it as we grow up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day in year 1950, Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities too. But when we live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights in a society, we have different castes, religion, fundamental rights and other type of things that separate us, but on a broader picture, we all are together. This India is a land of a beauty which shows a great example of unity in diversity. The beauty of our country is that despite many differences, we live together in peace and harmony. Since childhood, 26 January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us recall this day as a festival and celebrate it in school by participating in various cultural programs. For a few of us, this day is when we get up to watch the Republic Day parade, the military parade that starts from Vijay Chowk and culminates at the Red Fort in the national capital, that is Delhi. The weapons and equipment that the army shows us shows the effect and reflect the power of our armed forces. On this day, the award and medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery awards is the young kids who are awarded beside being young, who have saved the lives of other people. When helicopters of the armed forces fly past the parade area and shower helicopters of rose petals on the audience, everyone feels special. The program ends with a national anthem. Whether you are at home or watching the parade, personally, you get up to give the respect to national anthem. It is a day that makes us think beyond caste, creed, religion, and other things. We feel the same emotion of loving our country. Thank you.